Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can create and send invoice to your client. To do that, first you need to click on this little gear icon and click on invoice. So you need to type your company name, company account, bank name, sort code, account number. And also, if you want your customer to send you a check, type your postal address of your company. Here, we also have some reminders if you want to set it up, like when you create an invoice and if they don't pay within 3 days or 5 days, then you can send them an invoice. That reminder will go automatically to that client. So once you're done, then click on save button. Okay, so we are not changing anything and we are going to send an invoice to a client. So how we can send an invoice to a client? So go to the invoice, create new. Here you need to select the client to send the invoice, or click here, quick menu, click on invoice, and you can select the client from here, or go to the lead or a client and click on the client name, click on the invoice and click on create new. So from here you should be able to send an invoice to your client. Now you can see, so this is a draft invoice. Client will not be able to see this even though they logged into the account. This is absolutely draft. And let me create an invoice. So carpet cleaning, okay, so £20 per hour into 5 hours. So unit cost is £20 and quantity is 5. So you can see the invoice has been created after 5 hours, and if you want to give them discount, you can give them discount as well. And if you go to option, you can select bank, PayPal, cash. Okay, these are the things. Issue date, due date, paid date. So this, if you want to set a regular invoice or recurring invoice every week or every month, you can be able to set it. Also, in the note section, you can write admin note or client note. Client note, obviously, in a special instruction will attach with the client. Okay, so now I'll go back to the summary. Then if I select publish and send, then this invoice will get published and will automatically be sent to the client to share. Okay, or if you don't want to send them via email, you just want to publish them and download it and send it to the client, you can do same as well. So let me quickly publish and send to the client. Okay, so I can see the invoice sent successfully. Then if I come back to my email and look at the invoice which has been sent just now, and here I can download the invoice. There will be your company name, your company logo, your company address, and this is the client's address. I can see like your bank details will come here like this. Okay, so this is how you can be able to send a professional invoice with your branded letterhead to your client. Now if I go back to my software and if I click on client list, I can see just only one invoice is been created. And if suppose out of £100, if the client pay you suppose maybe £50, then I can go there and select get payment, and here I can put maybe £50 and 7 cents. Okay, so now you can see out of £100, £50 has been paid and £50 is still due and partially paid, and also at the same time your client will also receive an email regarding that. Sometime email get 2-3 minutes longer to come. I cannot wait that long. Hopefully the email will come. And let me go back to the invoice, and if I download this invoice from here, and let me see. Yes, so £100, £50 has been paid and £50 is still due, and on this date this £50 has been paid. So yes, partial paid. Okay, and if I go to the invoice list, and once this invoice will be fully paid, then I can mark as paid. Then they will receive an email automatically saying that this invoice has been paid. So there, when you have lots of invoices, so you can sort them by invoice number, issue date, due date. Also, you can select more field if you want to send these details to your accountant. You can use the issue like invoice number, company name, email address, and total, and filter. The list will come here, and you can send this list to your accountant as well, because at the moment we have only one invoice, so I can't sort them among one invoice. Okay, so if you have any popular item, you can add them here. For an example, add new. So description, I'll write anything like £20 per hour, rate is £20, no VAT. Yes, so you can create a popular item, and when you create popular item, and if you could create a new invoice to anybody, and if you just type first 3 letter, then automatically it will show you. So if you have more product or more services, you can list them, and that's how you don't need to type the whole thing again and again. That will automatically come for you to add them into the invoice. Okay, that's called popular item. And manage VAT. So if your company is VAT registered, you can write VAT, like UK VAT, UK VAT 20%. So if you add them, then the system will automatically calculate the VAT for every invoice you are sending to the client, new client. So invoice list, and create new invoice to suppose Tushar, and suppose, okay, so because this will not include this popular item will not include VAT, because when I created the popular item I select no VAT. However, so let me add this. However, if I want to add a new item, suppose house cleaning, £30, and UK VAT, add. So you can see, so 20% VAT has been added to the invoice. Okay, so yes, this is all about the invoicing, and this is how you can create and send a professional invoice with your letter headed to your client, and also manage them from here time to time. You can see how many invoices been overdue, how many invoices been paid, how many invoices have not been paid. Okay, thanks for watching and stay safe. Bye bye.